Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I'm going to talk about on the topics of electrochemical energy sources. So the electrochemical energy sources is nothing but it is in the form of a batteries which is also used in this major parts of in agricultural industries, and the batteries which consists of several types of batteries nowadays we are using. Within this, the most of the battery consists only in this technologies and development throughout this technology. So here the batteries plays a major role in all in automobile industries and any other apart from this parts to the industries. And here the lead acid battery is a main sources which is used also in the EV vehicles and the parts of this vehicles. So whenever we have to discuss about this, the here the design thinking concept for this pair is institutions based on this empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So based on this five types of testing, we are using the first part to empathize is the batteries. So here the empathy of the batteries to introduce about this. So the vehicle owners which is used for the car, bikes, trucks and buses. So whenever the trucks and the bikes we are using here is so much based on this EV vehicle. So whenever we have the inverters and UPS users, the home offices and the hospital equipments. So telecom towers operators, solar energy storage users and the industrial backup power users, mechanics and service technicians also in the uses of the batteries. So here the uses of the batteries based on the users want to reliable power during emergencies and the considered about high maintenance about the batteries, so worried about the short lifespan using of batteries and the affordable durable solutions during this batteries. So these are the empathies which are you have created so far. So here the batteries which we are considering by using the stages of batteries, here it is a lead acid battery. So the lead acid battery which is mostly considered of a secondary batteries. So here the secondary battery which consists of only one anode and one cathode, and it can be recharged by using a charging and a discharging process. So the secondary battery it is nothing but the rechargeable batteries. So here the rechargeable batteries we are using by a reversible electrode. Whenever we are charging by using the applying electrodes external energy, also called as a storage cell or accumulators. So here the example for lead acid storage cell and the nickel cadmium battery, it is also called as a secondary batteries. So the lead acid battery which consists of a anode, cathode at various cathodes and anodes are separately arranged by using these batteries. So here the batteries of anode is a lead and the cathode is a lead oxide, and both the separators can be arranged by a solution that is a dilute sulfuric acid. So the positive cell can be divided by using this divider, and the positive terminal and the negative terminal which is connected to this batteries. So now the dual functions of batteries which is charging and the discharging process, it is also converted as a voltaic batteries and electrolytic batteries. So the next the process how the batteries can be done by using is the lead oxide can be converted as a cathode and the lead anode can be converted as a cathode, and the electrolytic solution which consists of a 38% of H2 sulfuric acid. The overall cell reactions can be converted as lead dioxide, sulfuric acid and lead oxide. So by using this, the discharging process can be related to using this proper anode, lead which gives of lead sulfate, and the cathode lead oxide plus sulfuric acid which gives of lead sulfate. To all the overall reactions, the lead plus lead oxide plus sulfuric acid which gives lead sulfate plus the energy. So this is the discharging process, and whether the charging process can be reversed by using this the charging process. Next, the applications can be carried out by using this electrode electrodes and the anode and the cathode. Next, the advantages of the batteries which can be used for lead acid battery. It is a low cost battery and high surge current, reliability and high density lead, low specific batteries. And the activities we are using in this battery at a 12 volts and the 6 volt batteries. And the mapping can be discharged by using these applications in hospitals, backups and power ignition systems. So the reference can be introduced by using this lead acid battery. Thank you.